Alright, this is 2010, December, what's today's date? December 26th, 27th. Oh my god, we're recording live on the night of the snow. Time is probably 12 midnight, not 1. Probably thinking, why the hell are we outside recording on a blizzard storm outside? Well, guess I'm that crazy, right? Fuck it. Damn right. This for the cities that don't never get snow and it's 100 degrees every day. Spending Christmas in fucking beach, ain't that some shit? This is Pop Ham here, going down the Bronx, by the way. Woo-hoo. It's really not that bad when you got the right equipment. Surprised not that many people outside. I guess they're not stupid enough to do this. But hey, you only live once, right? Snow. It's really deep, by the way. Let's look at this. Look at that. How deep it is. Woo! Thank God the only part of my body's cold is my face. Whew. Hopefully I won't fall, I won't drop my phone. I will be assed out. Oh, and it appears to seem that, wait till I get over. There's cars blocked up ahead. I wonder what's going on. Woo-hoo. Keep it coming. Gotta love New York, see that? This is where we just walking from. See the white lights over there? Cars reversing. Now we got to a real shadow part of the streets. Good thing. Perfect weather for football. Oh, here we go again. The gas now. Hummer. Would love to drive one of those babies right now. I'm gonna try to record till we get to my house. I'll try to. I'm just getting tired though. Do my best to get as much video as possible, even though I already got enough, 3 minutes or something. I'm about to get a couple of cars stuck. Whew. Here it goes. Nice beam out here. Looking fresh. Even after all this fucking snow. Yeah, it's coming soon, you heard? Summer 2011. Be ready for us. Oh shit, let's see how deep this shit is. Hey, get a deep pole and take it out. See that? Yeah, that's how it is out here. Oh, I feel like I'm in the mountains right now. Whole bunch of cars you're about to see right now. I'd be like, look at them dumb bitch, stupid people. You know, back then, I was them. Mama would have given me a whooping. She would have gave me a real whooping ass, baby. Now you got all these hooligans out here, you know, whatever they want, with the little 5G, whatever you call them, little thingies. But no, I'd be lucky if I can even afford a 25-cent phone. Shit. Anyway. It's getting ridiculous. Don't mind me. Just trying to get some video. You know. I doubt try to do this anytime soon. But who knows when it'll be the next time it'll snow like this. It'd be nice. Especially as I'm going to boot camp in February. Then right after AIT. And right after home. Which will be sometime end of June or beginning of July. Oop. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Let's go. This car just right in the middle of the street. Like, really? Let's see what's the... See what's popping. So far now we got 6 minutes outside. Oh damn. Just crazy like that. Shit. Yeah. Recording, baby. Yeah. Yo. This good, nigga? Nigga, but you recording? Yeah, nigga. It's good. 1 o'clock in the morning. Nigga, ain't nothing else to do inside, nigga. Yeah, that's the hood for you. Now we about to head back. We're about to head back home. Yeah. Yeah. I wonder how that little small car gonna get out there. Which I doubt it will. The Pontiac. Yeah, almost fully covered. Good luck taking that shit out. Oh, goes another little BMW frame. Oh. We hit the end of the road, people. Nice knowing ya. It's been a version of 2010, summer 26, Snow Storm. Deuces.